What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, we're going to upgrade the wheel and tire package on John's 2020 Ford F150. So what do we have?
So, brand new Gen 3 Raptor takeoffs, 17-inch wheels, 35-inch tires with the BF Goodrich KO2s. Got to have a level on your F-150 if you want these to fit. So everything in the forum said they should, so hopefully they do.
Out with the old and in with the new. So now we're going to weigh each one, see what the weight difference is.
So here we go, stock.
80.0. Yep.
80 pounds on the dot.
$82.4.
So guys, we're going from the 20-inch rims here, 20-inch by 8.5-inch width with a positive 44mm offset on the LT 275 65 R20 tires, to the new setup, 17-inch rims, 8.5 width again with a plus 34mm offset, and we got the 315 70 R17 beefcakes over here.
We got an inch.
Hell yeah, bro.
We got an inch in both.
And now we're just going to do a time lapse of the other side.
Well guys, first day driving the F-150 on the new Raptor wheels. Ride feels a little bit more plush thanks to the extra sidewall on the tires, a little bit more balloony, a little bit more body roll, but that's okay. And also, no TPMS light has come on, so the sensors in the Raptor wheels seem to be doing the trick.
A few moments later.
Well guys, turns out the TPMS sensors in the new Raptor wheels aren't compatible with my truck.
No big deal. I'm gonna get the stock ones taken out of my other wheels and put in these tires. But for now, I'll just deal with the light. But been driving it a couple days. Ride's great. And yeah, no rubbing. Couldn't be happier.
Well guys, 17-inch Raptor wheels on the 35-inch tires, OEM takeoffs from the Raptor. Perfect upgrade for a regular F-150. Gotta have a leveling kit, but I tell you what, makes the truck look 100 times better.
Well, guys, that does it for this week. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.